morning to all. Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Asha SP, Assistant Professor of PG Department of Commerce. So we are on the 15th lecture of Income Tax Administration. We are dealing with specific powers of income tax authorities in module 5. So in the last class we have discussed about powers of Director General, Chief Commissioner of Commissioner of Income Tax. Today we are going to discuss about powers of Joint Commissioner, Assistant Director, Deputy Commissioner or Deputy Director or Assessing Officer. So let's discuss about the powers. So powers of Joint Commissioner, Assistant Director, Deputy Commissioner or Deputy Director or Assessing Officer. First one is these authorities means Joint Commissioner, Assistant Director, Deputy Commissioner or Assessing Officer have the power to call for information under section 133 of the Income Tax Act of 1961. So we general powers ഈ കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു. What do you mean by call for information? What do you mean by requisition of books of accounts and other documents എല്ലാം. So ഇവിടെ the first power is these authorities have the power to call for information. അതായത് റെസ്പെക്റ്റീവ് അസസീസ് ആരാണോ HUF ആകാം, ഫേം ആകാം, പാർട്ണർഷിപ്പ് ഫേംസ് ആകാം, ദെൻ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ബാങ്കിങ് ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ ആവാം, അവരുടെ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ കളക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ അവരെ വിളിക്കാനുള്ള അധികാരം ആർക്കുണ്ട്? These authorities. This is the first power to call for information. Second one, these authorities have the power to enter into any place of building or profession within the limits of area assigned to him. Within the limits of area, അവരുടെ അധികാര പരിധിയിൽ വരുന്ന ഏതെങ്കിലും ബിസിനസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്രൊഫഷനിൽ എൻറ്റർ ചെയ്യാനുള്ള അധികാരം ആർക്കുണ്ട്? These authorities. So these authorities have the power to enter into any place of business or profession within the limits of area assigned to them. Third one is these authorities have the power to make survey. What do you mean by survey? Survey means casting of eyes or mind over something. അതായത് ഇതിലെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് എൻക്വയറി ആണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നത് സർവേ ഫോർ ദി പർപ്പസ് ഓഫ് കളക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ. സോ ദീസ് അതോറിറ്റീസ് ഹാവ് ദി പവർ ടു മേക്ക് survey. Next one is these authorities have the power to enter into any place of business or profession for the purpose of collection of information. So for the purpose of collection of information, these authorities have the right to enter any place of business or profession. So the next one is the Joint Commissioner or Assessing Officer have the power to make inquiry for the proper administration of the act if necessary. But ചില കേസിൽ നമ്മൾ എൻക്വയറി നടത്തേണ്ട ആവശ്യം വരും. So for the proper execution of Income Tax Act, so these authorities, mainly Joint Commissioner or Assessing Officer, have the power to make inquiry for the proper administration of the act. Then the assessing officer have the power to make assessment. So what is assessment? Assessment is the process of computation of total income as well as the tax liability of a company. The process of computation of total income as well as the tax liability of a particular assessee is known as assessment. So the assessing officer have the power to make for assessment. So next one is that the Joint Commissioner or Assessing Officer have the power to inspect the books of accounts and take the copies of register of company. Have the power to inspect the books of accounts or other documents, and if necessary they can take the copies of these respective registers. And the last one is that these authorities have the power regarding discovery, production of evidence, etc. These are the first power regarding discovery, production of evidence. Same power ആർക്കും ഉണ്ട്. The Joint Commissioner, Assistant Director, Deputy Commissioner or Assessing Officer have the power regarding discovery, production of evidence, etc. So that's all about with the powers of Joint Commissioner, Assistant Commissioner, Deputy Commissioner or Deputy Director or Assessing Officer. So നിങ്ങളുടെ അസൈൻമെന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇത് പഠിക്കുക, then one time എന്നെ എഴുതി കാണിക്കുക. So that's all about with today's lecture. This is Asha SP signing off from Bosco Campus Vision.